Home. It's simply more than four walls and a roof. Your home is a place full of character that's found within its appearance and the warm welcomes found within. It's the same character that's found here at Rain City Exteriors. Delivering distinctive craftsmanship to homeowners for over 15 years, we've committed ourselves to providing only the best in product knowledge, selection, and installation, helping homeowners provide a new level of beautification, repairs, and protection. Using only the best materials engineered to stand up to the natural elements and to stand out in your neighborhood. Our fully certified and professional team can help you choose the right products for the place you call home. Treating your home as if it were our own is substance and style, uncompromising performance and strength to withstand the extremes of every season. So the home you love now will last many years to come. By having chosen the right products and the right company.
In Rain City Exteriors, we remodel homes and more.